Look at these seagulls. We threw some chips on the hood. I hear one walking on the roof. There he is, there he is. Look, 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 look. Oh, 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 there he is. He don't know what he's doing. Oh, we're being invaded.
No. Oh no. Here we go. Now they all start coming. Nasty fucking vermins.
Oh, dude, they love us. Look at them.
Next thing you know, they're going to be like sitting on our shoulders. Here, eat nicotine.
No, look at them, dude. They're going crazy.
Eat nicotine. The one swallowed the filter. I hope that fucker dies. Oh no. That one's like looking at us like, give me more! Now they're kind of like attacking us.
I know, they're not leaving now. Look at them. We should throw more out there.
No, that's a fucking waste. You know, we're hungry too.
You're right. I wonder if they eat cheese. I hear them walking on the roof.
Dude, they probably eat anything.
This one's just hanging there.
I'm gonna laugh when it takes a shit on your car. Take a shit! That one's like, nah, bitch. You want some?
Yeah. He's just still sitting there. I think he's trying to talk to us or something.
Yeah, I think he wants more. Wait.
Throw some more on the hood. Uh-oh.
He's like, ah!
Oh, man.